Hello. In this video, I'm going to discuss, as I said in my previous video, about a couple of types of function. First one I'm going to discuss here, that is signum function. So signum function stands for fx equals to mod x divided by x. Now, if x is greater than 0, the numerator is positive, denominator is also positive. So that time the functional value will be only 1, right? If x is less than 0, then numerator will be also positive because it's mod, the absolute value, but the denominator is negative, so function value will be -1. For x equals to 0, the function will be identified, so we are going to take it as 0. So if I just draw the graph, so when it is more than 0, so it will be always 1. If it is less than 0, then it is -1. The point here, it is 0, 1. This is 0, -1, and for 0 it will be this point 0, right? So further, if I proceed for the next function, that is exponential function. So for exponential function, okay, I just forgot to mention one thing, and domain of this function will be any real numbers, and range will be only these three, 1, -1 and 0. Nothing else will be the range of signum function. Now this one, fx is equals to a to the power x, that is the exponential function, and this will be less than 1 when x is less than 0. Just check, it is a to the power, if it is a to the power -1, that is 1 divided by a. So if a is greater than 1, this will be valid for a is greater than 1. So when a is greater than 1, that time these cases will happen, and this will be equals to 1. This case will be equals to 1 when x is equals to 0. We know a to the power 0, that is anything to the power 0 is equals to 1, and this will be greater than 1. This will be greater than 1 when x is greater than 0, right? So just check, if I just draw the graph over here, the graph will be lie like this. If this is a greater than 1 for this function, if the value of a is in between 0 to 1, that I am going to discuss later. So just check how the change will happen. Suppose this is the graph of 2 to the power x. Now how the 3 to the power x graph will lie? 3 to the power x graph will start from there, and over there it will go up. This will be 3 to the power x. Now 4 to the power x, 4 to the power x graph will be over here, so it will be over there. So this is the graph of 2 to the power x, this is 3 to the power x, this is 4 to the power x. This is the graph I have done for a greater than 1, right? Now if the a is in between 0 and 1, what's the meaning of this? That a is proper fraction. So that time the graph will be lying like this. Please try this. The graph will be lying like this if a is in between 0 and 1. So for this case, if I will discuss three cases, that fx equals to a to the power x, this will be greater than 1 when x is less than 0. Because just check, if suppose a is half, then in between x is less than 0, half to the power -half, so it will be positive that time, right? So this will be less than 1 when x is greater than 0, and this will be equals to 1 when x is equals to 0. So these three cases will be there. So here also, if this is the graph of half to the power x, 1/3 to the power x will start over there and it will go over there. So this will be 1/3 to the power x, and this will be also 1/3 to the power x. This will be half to the power x, like the previous case only. So this is the exponential function. Further, if I proceed for reciprocal function, so reciprocal function, if I will just discuss reciprocal function, just check, the function is fx equals to 1 divided by x. So if I draw the graph, for 0 the function will be valid. So clearly understand the domain is any real number except 0. Now if x equals to 1, y is also equals to 1. If x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 1 by 2, 3, 1 by 3, so it's coming down, but in between 0 and 1 it's going up. So the graph will look like this. That is for greater than 0, and for less than 0 the graph will be like this. Just plot the point and check. So this will be for the reciprocal function graph. Now square root function, if I will give square root function, that is y equals to x to the power half. So domain of this function will be, it can take 0 to infinity, that will be my domain, and range of this function will be again 0 to infinity. So square root function, for 0 it will be 0, for 1 it will be 1, for 2 it is 1.414, 3 it is like this, so it will curve it like this, not straight line, it will be curved like this. Now next one, discuss square function. Square function makes y equals to x square equals to fx. So for square function, again there will be two cases. So the case will be like this: 0, for 0 it will be 0, for 1 it will be 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 4, like this. So this will be the graph of the square function, not line, this will be a curve like parabola. So this will be the graph like this. So that now if I discuss the square function, domain is any real number and range will be 0 to infinity, because for any square function the minimum value can be 0 and maximum value can be till plus infinity, right? So now if I proceed for cube function, that is fx equals to x to the power 3. The graph will be, just check, for 0 it will be 0, for 1 it will be 1, for 2 it will be 8, 3 it will be 27, so graph will go on like this, and for minus 1 it will be minus 1, the graph will come like this. So this is fx equals to x cube, that's the cube function graph, sorry. Cube function, again domain of this cube function is any real number, and range will be all these value associated with this, that will be my range. Now if I'll go for the cube root function, so cube root function, that is fx equals to x to the power 1 divided by 3 function. So let's just try to draw the graph, fx equals to x to the power 1 by 3 function. So if I'll just try to draw the graph of this, so it will go on like this, and over there it will come and it will be like this. Just plot the point and check. This will be the graph of cube root function. Next video I am going to discuss about one of the very important function. 2 videos I will make based on that. That is logarithmic function. Please stay tuned. Thank you.